Okay, so welcome to my channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe. So in this video, we're going to talk about facts of Mercury, and I'm going to show you in Space Engine how it looks like, and do a little flyby and land on it, and show all the facts. So I'm transitioning the video to Space Engine now. So I'm going to have to end it. So here's our Mercury in Space Engine, and it has lots and lots of craters. If you don't know what craters are yet, they are these patches formed in the surface. It's like this one here. There's a bigger one. So each of this is a crater. So usually craters mean that it had been hit by asteroids millions of years ago. Asteroids just crash into the surface and they create craters. So next on with the size. It's about 5,042 kilometers, but it's actually very, very, very small in comparison to the Earth. It's very, very, very small. It's very, very small. So, even though Mercury is very, very small, it doesn't have any moons. You already know that, because it's very small. It can't have moons, but sometimes they can have tiny asteroid moons that could eclipse on the surface at least once, but still, they don't have moons. Even if you zoom out of Mercury and wait to fly by, and if you even just try zooming out of Mercury, or open the planet's browser, it says there are no moons. And also, even in real life, there are no moons. Not even hypothetical moons. Venus has a hypothetical moon, but still not really. So, Mercury here is known as a sub-Theria, but it's actually something like the moon. The moon is actually smaller than Mercury. It's like this big compared to this Mercury. Let's go to size comparison. So, wait a minute. This is not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. So, just cut that out of the video. Mercury its temperature is very, very hot. It's even though it looks very far from the sun, right there, it's actually very close. Semi-major axis is the distance from the sun. It's only 0.39 astronomical units. It only takes 87.96 days to rotate. Actually, it's 88 days. So Mercury only takes 88 days to rotate around the sun. So, Mercury is a small planet, but with a very high temperature. Small but high temperature. I'm going to land on the surface right here. I'm going to go off right now. Okay, so, this is Mercury from a distance. So, Mercury is a small planet but with a high temperature and the distance from the sun. It is the distance from the sun, and we already said that. So, it takes 58 days to rotate. it takes 58 days to rotate. That's pretty long for a tiny planet. But actually, all that is because it has no atmosphere. If you land on it, you'll see that there's no atmosphere. You can see the sky, even in the daytime. That's what it means by no atmosphere. So, Earth has an atmosphere. The atmosphere is why the sky is blue. The atmosphere is blue. So, if I just go to Earth for some time, that blue stuff on the top of it is atmosphere. But if you go to Mercury, it doesn't have atmosphere. That's because it's too close to the sun to have atmosphere. And it's also too small to have atmosphere. If it had one of the Earth's atmosphere, you couldn't even see the surface of it, like Venus's surface. Okay. So Mercury. So Mercury has a lot of things too. But still, we don't know all the secrets of it yet. And I'm going to show a quick flyby of so the North Pole has lots more craters. We're going to go there. So here's the North Pole of Mercury. It has lots more craters. This is why I went here, for the craters. So all these craters were formed just by asteroids colliding. It was only asteroids colliding. That's all it was created by. Only asteroids colliding. So, everything. So, we're going to do a quick flyby of Mercury right now. I just messed it up, but we're just cut that out of the video too. Oh, too fast. There we go. And there we go. Too fast. So we're going to do a quick flyby. And there we go. A bit close flyby. A quick flyby. And flying out. Mercury's formation was also with these asteroids. Its formation was also with asteroids. So it had a lot of problems. So Mercury because Mercury had no atmosphere. Unfortunately, there will be no color during sunset. It'll just be all white in sunset. So what I'm saying is on sunset in Mercury, it's just going to be white. So that's almost all. We're going to land on Mercury and find all of its secrets. And it has also some mountains, like this one right here. This mountain is also something that we need. This mountain. Actually, I'm just going to cut it out. So, wait. So Mercury is actually really just made out of craters and rock. Even though it looks really white in the simulation, it's actually black. It's the darkest planet in the system. But if you're asking how is it dark when it's this close to the star, it's because that Mercury is Mercury is about like Mercury because Mercury is made out of something called granite. This is why it's a little darker in this area than the middle area. So, this Mercury is made out of granite. So the granite, it is what makes Mercury dark, but but what makes Mercury white is just rock. It's just totally rock. And so bye. This video ended.